Perhaps no other investment can enhance our lives like a well-designed, well-crafted kitchen. It's the heart of the home. Welcome to Independent Custom Renovations. We offer a thoughtful process, breathtaking design, and flawless installations. It's about function and form, inspired by your choice of style, including modern, contemporary, traditional, or transitional. Let us capture your vision and deliver it with results you will love. We start with durable quality products, along with our own custom cabinetry built right here in Edmonton in our local cabinet shop. We provide customers with turnkey, stress-free renovation solutions. Everything you will need is right here under one roof, including our talented and qualified in-house tradespeople. For over 30 years, Independent has provided Edmonton with gorgeous kitchen, bath, and home renovations. Today, over 80% of our business comes from previous customers and their referrals. We welcome you to visit our showroom in the Edmonton Home Fair or call us today to discuss your project. Inspired solutions, right through installation. That's Independent.